Any academic discourse lies not just in the theme we explore, but in the people who come together to illuminate it. Today, we have been deeply honored by the presence of some of the most distinguished minds and spirited contributors to the field of climate science, Earth systems, and Himalayan resilience. Their august presence, valuable time, and willingness to share their deep expertise with us in this remote yet significant corner of Himalayas speaks volumes of their commitment to the cause of sustainable development and environmental stewardship. As a humble gesture of our gratitude and deep appreciation,
सर कहते ऐसे हैं कि इसमें पश्मीना है अब तो सर ये महबूब साहब बताएंगे
This workshop is not just a reflection of that support, but also a step forward in building a resilient academic dialogue on issues. Especially honored by the presence of Dr. M. Ravichandran, the Secretary Minister of Vice Chancellor, Government of India, whose pioneering work and visionary research. Yes, sir, your presence today is a great motivation for our faculty, students, and the entire Ladakh community, and we are truly honored with your gracious presence, sir. We are also fortunate to have Dr. Jagvir Singh, scientist at Scientist G Administrative Art Sciences, and Dr. Abe Bansal for gracing us with their august presence. We are also delighted to have with us Shri Sonam Lotus, a name synonymous with the scientific outreach in region, and a voice of reliability and scientific integrity for the people of our region. Thank you, sir, for gracing us. I would like to take this opportunity to extend warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, whose able leadership and vision the UL estate the Center of Excellence as a unique and in this unique and challenging geography of the Trans-Himalayan region. And we do believe, sir, under your leadership, the University of Ladakh is going to push new horizons in academics and research. A special welcome to the registrars, our faculty members, and very special thanks to Professor Parvez as a professor from University of Kashmir and bright student from University of Ladakh in colleges. Your participation reflects a growing commitment and to address the climate change and challenges with the scientific understanding and community engagement. This workshop comes at a very crucial time as the Indian Himalayan region, especially Ladakh, faces the growing impact of global warming, glacial retreat, and shifting hydrological patterns. These changes deeply affect our environment, livelihoods, and long-term sustainability. Academic platforms like this, guided by the expert insights and institutional collaborative mentorship. Once again, I warmly welcome you all for this two-day workshop and wish the workshop a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a warm and inclusive welcome address. Now, proceeding further, may I please request Sri Nawab to know, sir.
Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh. Dr. N. Ravichandran, Secretary, Ministry of Environmental Science, Government of India. Dr. Jagvir Singh, Scientist G, MOEs, Government of India. Sonam Lotus, Director, Meteorological Center, Efforts are being made to develop research centers in constituent colleges to provide them research opportunities leading towards PhD program. Other than regular academic programs on performing arts, defense-related courses, etc., University has signed MOUs with other institutions of repute. Since 2023, University regularly provides 1-week orientation course to the defense of higher learning and research. The University of Ladakh has its headquarters in Leh. The university has campuses in both the districts of Leh and Kargil. There are 2 academic campuses, one in Kargil and one in Leh. And apart from this, we have 2 agricultural campuses also, one in Stakna and the other one in Tumbatham. And the University of Ladakh also has 6 constituent degree colleges in Leh, Kargil, Zanskar, Khalse, Nubra and Dras. University of Ladakh started its first academic session in the year 2020 with a master's degree program in 10 in both the campuses. However, today university offers more than 27 PG programs. In addition to the PG programs, university offers integrated BCA MCA program. For the first time in Ladakh, university introduced BSc Agriculture in both the campuses of Leh and Kargil districts from the academic session 2024. University, with support of Army, Mountain Research Institute has installed 10 automatic weather stations in remote locations of Ladakh to provide weather data for climate modeling of Ladakh. Through competitive processes at national level, our faculty members have earned externally sponsored projects.
Hazards, disasters are happening. I think these things are happening because of entire global things. People have put the carbon in the atmosphere, but you are the most victimized. I think it is imperative that we need to have a resilient and we need to mitigate these things. You have to come out with the out of the box idea, especially local problem, try to solve as much as possible, try to understand the local problem and come out with various ideas and innovations so that we can try to mitigate and have a resilient society in this area. And I'm coming from the ministry. I think this is a very, very ideal location. Just 2 days I am here. It is a wonderful location to study and understand the polar regions because you have a very good glaciers, both clean glacier as well as debris covered glaciers. We can understand what are the processes happening. And also we need to have a lot of weather impact, recent things, what is happening, we need to understand better. I think you have to come out with various innovations and ideas and collaborate with various other universities and other national university institutions. You have to collaborate. The collaboration is the key for the success of any innovations. I think I request all of you to come forward to collaborate with various universities. And considering these unique locations, I think we, Ministry of Earth Sciences will be happy to set up here a center of excellence for not only earth science but also entire environmental science and other things. I will work out with Vice Chancellor what are the things required here, and also I requested the local man, our colleague Sonam, to set up atmospheric observatory at this same campus, also radar in Kargil, and there are many other polar research with the NCPR, Goa and other places we need to work out. So after going back, I will come out with the various methodology, how we can evolve this center of excellence. And also you need please summer time, maybe your winter time, better to come to the mainland or maybe other university, Goa and other places, do intensive so that you can have better enrich your knowledge from other colleagues and other things. And since I have very limited time, I don't want to take much of your time, and we collaborate and be with other people and come out with new proposals. We will be happy to fund you for the local problem so that it will be solved not only local but also in the global problem. Thank you once again for the Vice Chancellor and the university for inviting me for this wonderful occasion. Thank you very much.
And then Dr. Saab here. Jule, Namaskar, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. On the dais, we have the Honorable Secretary of Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, none other than Dr. M. Ravichandran Sahab. You have just heard him. Together with him, we have two scientists, Scientist G, Dr. Jagveer Singh Sahab, and then Dr. Abhay Ram Bansal Sahab, Chief Scientist. On the dais, we also have the London Registrar of our university, Mr. Tundup Sahab. We also have the in charge of this campus, Dr. Mehboob Ali Sahab. Together with him, we have the Dean of Sciences, Hussain Sahab, who is here from Leh campus. And then we also have the one of the resource person with us. The resource person is Professor Parvez Ahmed Sahab of the dais. Now I'm reading the name, so happy, delighted to have the the Honorable Chief Secretary with his team here. And then I really wish to thank them. So first of all, let us greet them sincerely. And the purpose of this particular workshop is to the researcher of this area, the learned faculty of this university. Sonam Saab is also here. Sonam Lota Saab is here. My sincere greeting to him. I should not forget him. जब शादी करनी होती है तो सोनम साहब से ही पूछा जाता है कि पानी तो नहीं बरफ तो नहीं गिरेगी, तो मैं कैसे भूल सकता हूँ. सोनम साहब, welcome. So then coming back to the track, why this hodgepodge kind of thing is there. We have limited time. The Honorable Secretary is here since 9th, and we have done a lot of interactions. But today he has to go back and he has to catch a flight to go to Chennai with his team. And then, Jojila Pass is a difficult terrain, so we have to finish this program quickly. That is why this hodgepodge is going on. But sorry for all this kind of thing. Anyways, so thank you very much, sir. Let me remind the team who has come here from Delhi that last year, I think Jagvir Singh Saab visited our Leh campus, and then he promised to start a center. And then presentation was done at the Goa, but because of maybe time was limited, financial year was ending, so things could not materialize. That is why they are here. So I welcome them, and I pray to the secretary that when they go back, let us bring the glory back to the system, and we should start the centers here. So with this promise, I still request, this is the promise from the secretary and the scientists who have come from Ministry of Delhi, but let us do it sooner the better. Let us do these things so that our researcher will get a chance to get the exposure on those kind of equipments and gadgets also. Let me tell you one more thing. While we are always talking about renewable energy, and we feel that this is the only resort, but to me inside, I feel that